BSM10GD120DN2 by uscomponent.com. The BSM10GD120DN2 is a high-efficiency IGBT module from Eupec, Infineon Technologies, tailored for industrial power switching applications. Operating at 1200 V and 10A, it is ideal for motor drives, inverters, and renewable energy systems. This module features low conduction and switching losses, enhancing overall system efficiency and reliability. Its compact and robust design ensures easy installation and effective thermal management, making it suitable for demanding environments. Eupec's commitment to innovation and quality makes the BSM10GD120DN2 a trusted component for optimizing power conversion and improving the performance of high-power electronic systems across various industrial applications. Ready to buy BSM10GD120DN2? Please contact sales at uscomponent.com.